How to use Microsoft Word for free. First, open your web browser and go to office.com. After that, you will be redirected to Microsoft's official website, where you can see that Office is the old name for the now known Microsoft 365. You will be given three options, either to sign in, get Microsoft 365 products, or sign up for the free version of Microsoft 365. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in, but if you don't have one yet, it's okay because you can sign up for one for free. I will go ahead and sign in. Now that I'm on the sign in page, I will put in my login credentials and I will continue later. Now that I have successfully logged into my Microsoft account, I am redirected to this homepage. From this homepage, you can see on the left different buttons such as the home button, create, my content, apps, and many familiar and famous Microsoft applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, and OneNote. In this Create New section, you can also create different Microsoft files from document to videos. Here you can see the Quick Access section, which contains the recently opened files that I opened earlier, the shared files that you collaborate with other users, and your favorite files. Now to create a Word document, go ahead and click Word here. Alternatively, you can also create a Word document by clicking on Create button here and choosing Document Word. Let's go ahead to the Word page. Here in the Word page, you can see the Create New section where you can create a new Word document by clicking on Blank Document here or choosing from the many available templates prepared by Microsoft themselves. Going back to the Word page, you can see the recently opened Word files here, the shared Word files, and your favorite Word files. You can also modify the arrangement of the files from recently opened to the oldest one, as well as filter it with the owner or the activity done in the file. You can also upload a Word file from your computer to your Microsoft account. Let's do that by uploading this sample file that I downloaded for free earlier. And in less than a minute, your Microsoft Word document has been uploaded to your Microsoft 365 account and automatically opened in a new tab. For reference, this is what the Word document looks like when opened and accessed using the Word application software in your desktop. Going back to the same Word document opened through the Word for Web, you can see that there are almost no changes. It's almost the same content, same font size, and same formatting. Now let's look at the features available here in Word for Web and compare it to that of the application software. Here in Word for Web, we have the File tab, as well as the Home tab, Insert, Layout, References, Review, View, and Help. Meanwhile, in the application software, we have File, Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View, and Help. As you can see, the application software has more features and tabs included. However, the good thing about accessing your Word file from the Word for Web is that you can edit and work on your document even when you're using a different computer or device, so long as you have internet access and your Microsoft account. That's it for this video. If you like this tutorial, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can tune in to the next video.